Good morning, everyone. As the 2026 Kerala Legislative Assembly election approaches, the political landscape of the state is shaping into one of its most closely contested battles in recent decades. Scheduled for April 2026, the election will determine whether Kerala continues its recent break from tradition or returns to its long standing pattern of alternating power between rival fronts. For decades, Kerala's electorate followed a predictable rhythm, shifting between the Left Democratic Front and the United Democratic Front every 5 years. This pattern was disrupted in 2021 when the LDF, led by Pinari Vijayan, secured a historic consecutive term. That victory has now become the central reference point for 2026. Was it a one off driven by crisis governance or the beginning of a new political trend? Current public domain data points to an extremely tight contest. Opinion polls and projections indicate both the LDF and UDF hovering around the majority mark of 71 seats in the 140-member assembly, with vote shares differing by barely 1 or 2 percentage points. This near parity reflects a deeper shift in Kerala's voter behavior, where elections are increasingly decided by narrow margins rather than sweeping mandates. For the LDF, the election is both an opportunity and a challenge. It enters the race with the advantage of governance continuity and a leadership image built on administrative stability. At the same time, two consecutive terms bring the weight of anti-incumbency. The left has responded by recalibrating its messaging, focusing on welfare delivery, infrastructure development, and a more cautious approach to sensitive issues that previously triggered voter backlash. The UDF, on the other hand, views 2026 as a moment of recovery. It is banking on voter fatigue and the natural tendency of Kerala's electorate to seek change. Its campaign narrative centers on renewal, governance correction, and regaining public trust. However, the alliance faces the task of converting sentiment into electoral gains, especially in constituencies where margins are expected to be extremely tight. A significant factor in this election is the gradual rise of the Bharatiya Janata Party. While the BJP-led NDA is still projected to win only a handful of seats, its growing vote share has altered the traditional bipolar contest. Even a modest increase in support can influence outcomes in closely fought constituencies, making it a potential spoiler for both major fronts. Its recent gains in parliamentary segments have further strengthened its claim as an emerging force in the state. Beyond party strategies, the 2026 election reflects a changing electorate. Voters are showing higher levels of engagement but also greater scrutiny of candidates and performance. Local factors, candidate credibility, and constituency level issues are expected to play a decisive role. The rise in independent voting behavior and smaller vote shifts could determine the final outcome more than large scale political waves. Another layer of complexity comes from internal dynamics within alliances and the impact of political crossovers. While such shifts can strengthen organizational capacity, they also introduce uncertainty, particularly in constituencies where personal loyalties often outweigh party lines. As campaigning gathers pace, the central themes are becoming clearer: continuity versus change, stability versus accountability, and tradition versus transformation. Yet the final verdict is likely to depend on micro level swings across a handful of constituencies rather than a single dominant narrative. The stakes are therefore unusually high. A victory for the LDF would confirm a structural shift in Kerala politics, breaking the historical cycle of alternation. A win for the UDF would restore that rhythm and reaffirm the enduring rule of anti incumbency. Even without a major seat tally, a stronger NDA performance could reshape future electoral equations. In essence, the 2026 Kerala Assembly election is not just another political contest but a defining moment. With margins expected to be razor thin and voter behavior increasingly fluid, the outcome will hinge on precision campaigning, candidate selection, and the ability to connect with an electorate that is more discerning than ever before.